Hi everybody, Moki Films here, and today we're going to do an unboxing, I just cut it, of the 6-piece freezer bowl set from Pampered Chef and the freezer rack. So we'll go ahead and pull the freezer rack out first. Okay, so here's our freezer rack, and it's got its handles and it's got its 6 slots. And then let's look at, here's our instructions for our freezer bowls. And then here's our freezer bowls, the little pour spout. It does have the measurements on the side, and they just sit nice and neatly in the rack. So the idea is that you could put soup in them or stew in them. We make a lot of homemade chicken noodles, so we're gonna probably do that. Okay. Let's look at, the lids seem to fit pretty tight. Let's see if I can get one off. Yep, there we go. So this has the cup measurements on the inside. So it's a full cup. The lids are really hard plastic, while the bowls are a more flexible silicone. Pops right in there. And the idea is that you should be able to stack the trays. I decided that I needed to find out how I was going to use them before I got any more, but so far I'm really excited for some of the opportunities that we're going to have to just pre-prep some different types of soups and store them for dinners. So again, this has been an unboxing of the 6-piece freezer bowl set. That is item 100152, and the freezer rack from Pampered Chef, and its item number is there on the screen. If you want to see us unbox any other items from Pampered Chef, leave a note in the comments for us, and as always, be sure to click subscribe. Thanks for watching Moki Films.